These are definitely by far my favorite passion twists to date. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these bomb 22-inch passion twists using hair from Toyotress. So let's get right into the details. So this is the Tiana passion twist hair. This is the 22-inch in the color OT30 27. Wait, let me check that. Yes, color OT30 27 22-inch Toyotress passion twist hair. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Came with a crochet hook, and it also came with some rubber bands and some hair jewels. So 8 packs. So there's 8 packs in each one, and each one of these has 12 passion twists inside. And not only am I obsessed with this length, but the color. How gorgeous is this? Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. So this is what's, as they're falling all over the place, this is what is left in the package. So I use 5 packs and then 2 from this one, and I still have 2 left. So we'll definitely be doing a style with the rest of these passion twists, but let's get into how I got this look. First of all, these twists, these twists are super long. Let's see if you can get the gist. Super long, super lightweight. This color combo is just so bomb. So I'm absolutely loving these twists. Definitely be bringing you an update video of some styles that I do with these twists, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get into the deets of how I got this look. Keep on watching. so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.